You know, in Texas, we recognize what's called hit and run cases. And a hit and run case is basically where one vehicle either strikes a vehicle or even a person, a pedestrian. They hit and then they leave the scene. They fail to stay there at the scene and render aid and call law enforcement. That's a violation of our law in Texas. When you have that type of an incident, if you're able to capture the license, the car, the information on who hit you and ran, we can track that car down. Sometimes we actually are able to use video cameras, convenience stores, and locations along an area where someone was involved in a hit and run to find the car that was involved in the hit and run. We've been involved in dealing with hit and run cases where people were killed walking along the side of the road, killed in crosswalks, that they've been severely injured by commercial motor vehicles that hit and ran, and we've been able to find those trucks. And so you have a right to bring those cases against hit and run drivers, and sometimes the reason it's a hit and run is because it involves alcohol, it involves drug, it involves activity that the person who hit you and ran knows could result in them being incarcerated or arrested. They are sometimes at the courthouse some of the highest value cases because jurors, ordinary people, do not respect people that hit and run after hurting someone. So they're very important cases, and they're very important to hire an attorney right away so that we can obtain that evidence of who that hit and run driver is.